What I want to do is walk through what I think are the three biggest mistakes that I see people making still to this day. That if you make these mistakes, you have no chance of growing or starting your business in 2020. You just don't. So I don't want you to make those mistakes because I want you to win. That's what this whole show is set up to do, is to help you win in your online business. And that means hit your revenue goals. That means working less. That means being able to live more and give more. Those are all parts of how I define winning and what I want for you in your business. Mistake number one, being a commodity. What is a commodity? It's anything that's ubiquitous. There's tons of it. Like toilet paper is a commodity. I don't care which brand of toilet paper I use. I have no loyalty to Charmin. That's online business these days for a commodity. If all you are is a purveyor of information in your niche, you are a commodity, because this information age that we're living in makes information a commodity. So what do? You need to be a personality. You need to sell yourself. Mistake number two, relying on social media. Oh my gosh. Social media is great. I'm not a social media hater. You know what I'm a hater of? People who rely on social media for their business. Only because, not because I hate you or because I think social media is bad. When it comes to getting the word out and building leads, I just don't like social media as my only way of reaching people, especially when we have seen what's changed in the last 5 years, which is there's all of the people that own the platforms have gotten their hands more involved, and they've woken up and realized, hey, we have this amazing platform. We own it, so we're going to write the rules. And when they write the rules, they can change the rules. And when they change the rules, you have to play by their rules. So if your business is built on social media, you're doomed. It's rigged against you. There is a middleman between you and your audience. And mistake number three, and this is huge, and I think Marie Forleo talked about this recently with Pat Flynn. So credit her, because I was thinking about this, but she put it into words absolutely. She's absolutely right. The future of online business is customer service. Is kind of where she was going. And so the mistake that I see that if you're making this in 2020, you're doomed, is still just focusing on the sale and not on the follow-up service. It's very easy to find them, sell to them get what they want, and you never interact with them. And I'm as guilty of this as anyone else. I mean, for years, I didn't need to worry about interacting with them because they got what they wanted, I got what I wanted, and we're all happy. But now that anybody can do this, how are you going to stand out? Good old-fashioned customer service, interacting with your customers, getting follow-up, answering their questions, listening to their feedback, making your products better, having a community, right? Literally building a private community for your customers where you can interact with them and serve them and find out more of what they need, right? Customer service is going to build deep loyalty, which is going to lead to customers for years and years and years.